Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy and simple upgrade. At this moment, my gas burner is really nice, has black plastic knobs. I don't like it. I wanted to change it to stainless steel. And once I'm going to change it, they're going to look awesome. It's very simple upgrade, but it brings the beauty. And best of all, your lady will love it. I have received the parts. And I will list the part number under my description in case if you want to check it out and you want it upgrade yours. These are stainless steel and heavy duty knobs. And it looks beautiful. And without wasting any time, let's get started changing it. This is how the gas burner knobs looks. This is the plastic knobs and you just grab it and pull it just like that. So I'm going to pull all of these. These are the knobs. If we look at inside, it has a D and that corresponds to this cut. So we're going to put it in and press it down. So this will be the second one. This is like a half moon, or in other words, it's like a D symbol. We're going to put it on top of it and press it down. If you look at right now, we only change it 2 and the other 3 is like this. And look at this, already start looking beautiful. So these are the other knobs. We're going to pull it and we're going to press it down. The same thing, remaining 2. The last one. And look at this, how beautiful the gas burner looks at this moment. So you've seen it from this to this. So your gas burner from plastic look to stainless steel. It's very elegant. So as you've seen it, it takes only 1 minute to take out these plastic knobs and replace it with stainless steel. You really don't need a new gas burner or new stove. It brings the outlook. And I hope you like this upgrade. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos on auto and DIY, please subscribe Sidhu DIY. And for my quick and easy cooking recipes, please click on Easy Steps. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.